Hello guys, konnichiwa. Good morning. Ohayo gozaimasu. How are you? O genki desu ka? I hope you are doing good. Okay guys, my content for today is very basic Japanese phrases for the tourists in Japan. Okay guys, number 1. For example is if you are in a hurry or if you are in a trouble, you want to go to the bathroom because you can't hold your pee or you are already peeing, but the sanitation worker is cleaning the toilet. What you should say in Japanese language, I want to go to the toilet or I want to go to the bathroom. In Japanese is sumimasen, ote arai ni itte mo ii desu ka? Sumimasen, ote arai ni itte mo ii desu ka? Or sumimasen, toire o karite mo ii desu ka? Sumimasen, toire o karite mo ii desu ka? In English is, excuse me, may I use the toilet please? Excuse me. Okay guys, number 2 is, if you left your key in your room in the hotel and you want to ask the receptionist or the front desk to open your door or open it. In Japanese, phrases is, sumimasen, 部屋のカードを忘れてしまったので開けてもらっていいですか？すみません、部屋のカードを忘れてしまったので開けてもらっていいですか？ Excuse me, I left my card key in my room. Can you open it for me, please? Number 3 is, if you need to use the toilet, but the person has not come out or has been in there for a long time. And if you are tired, you can ask the staff in the restaurant to check the person in the toilet. In Japanese is, すみません、ずっとドアが開かないのでトイレの中を確認してください。すみません、ずっとドアが開かないのでトイレの中を確認してください。In English is, excuse me, could you please check the person in the toilet because he has not come out for a long time. Okay guys, last one, trouble in the restaurant. If your drinks are spilled on the table, ayan, natapon mo, natabig mo, and you need to ask for help. Excuse me, I have spilled my drink. Could I get some help with this? In Japanese, すみません、飲み物をこぼしてしまいました。手伝ってもらえますか？ Thank you very much guys. I hope this video will help you enjoy travel in Japan guys. Thank you.